Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a quick and fantastic tropical grilled shrimp using just 5 ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. Check out the ingredients: half a kilo of prawns, diced red and green bell pepper, 1 onion diced, 2 slices of pineapple, 2 tablespoons of grated garlic, a tablespoon of chili flakes, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt. To a mixing bowl, add diced red and green bell pepper, diced onion, some pineapple cubes, shrimp, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of grated garlic, some red chili flakes, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and some olive oil. Gently mix all of this well, let it sit for 5 minutes. Soak the squares in water for 20 minutes. This will prevent from burning. Square veggies, pineapple and shrimp alternatively. Heat up a grill on medium heat. Brush some oil on the grill. Place the squares on the grill. Keep the flame on moderate. Some pineapple slices. It's a great combination. It's rich in vitamin C and manganese, which is essential for maintaining strong bones. Also, it fights inflammation. Sprinkle some chaat masala powder on the shrimp and pineapple for some punch in flavor. Its cooking time is 3 minutes on each side. It's almost 3 minutes now, getting a nice appetizing aroma from the shrimp and pineapple. Turn it to the other side, let it cook for 3 more minutes. Brush some melted butter on the shrimp. Adding some more chaat masala powder. Grilled tropical shrimp is ready to be served. Grilled pineapple gives a nice caramelized flavor, and the zinc in shrimp Serves an excellent supplement for healthy hair growth. Do try this grilled shrimp and pineapple recipe and share your feedback in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!